Hey there, fellow audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and home improvement. Today, we're diving into the world of premium sound with the best Polk and ceiling speakers on the market, the Polk Audio RC80i. Now, if you're looking to elevate your audio experience without sacrificing valuable floor space, these babies are the perfect solution. The Polk RC80i speakers deliver seamless audio quality and Polk's renowned sound reproduction, making them an excellent addition to any home theater setup or audio system. Let's talk features. These speakers boast an 8-inch dynamic balance woofer paired with a 1-inch amiable tweeter, providing you with more depth, detail, and lifelike sound reproduction. Plus, the mineral-filled polymer cone and composite driver baskets ensure wider sound dispersion for even coverage throughout the room. But what sets these speakers apart is their durability. With a rubber seal that prevents moisture access, these speakers are perfect for damp and humid environments like bathrooms, kitchens, saunas, and covered porches. You can enjoy your favorite tunes worry-free, no matter where you install them. And installation? It's a breeze. With no mess and no extra assembly required, you can have these speakers up and running in 3 simple steps. Plus, the paintable aluminum grills allow you to customize them to match your existing interior seamlessly. In conclusion, the Polk Audio RC80i speakers embody Polk's unwavering commitment to excellence, reliability, and craftsmanship. With their stellar sound quality, durability, and easy installation, they're truly the best in ceiling speakers on the market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and home improvement tips. Until next time, happy listening.